Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 3, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, all you really need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example. And once it's open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, so both of the keys at the same time. You'll get this animation with a couple different options, as you can see at the bottom: delete, share, edit, and also long screenshot. Now I opened up settings as an example because it actually does have a scrollable content. As you can see, I can scroll down, and if I capture that screenshot once more, I can tap on the long screenshot, and unfortunately I will have to keep tapping on it as long as far down as I want to go. It only scrolls down a tiny bit, so you'll have to tap on that multiple times, and once you're done, give it a moment, and I believe it should. There we go. So you have to, I guess, tap on it and then tap on save, and that will save it. So this is the well, I guess one way you can capture it with two different options, and there is also another way with holding the power key, and you have a screenshot right here. The same thing as power key and volume down, a little bit less convenient. And also sometimes there is a screenshot toggle in here in the notifications panel, but oh, there it was actually. So again, same thing as the shortcut power key and volume down. Now you can choose whichever one you want. They basically all work the exact same way, just have different location of accessing them. Now once you actually capture those screenshots, you can now find them in your photo gallery. So let's open up gallery, and you can see them both right here. Now this is the long one and this is the normal one, and that is how you would capture a screenshot. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.